Hi Forex traders, hope you all are well. I am an official member of ForexBD. In today's video, I will show you how to make money from Forex with low balance by following support and resistance. This video is being made mainly due to the request of many Forex traders. When you make any comment or request, ForexBD try their level best to keep that request, and that's why today's video. There are many Forex traders in our country who can't deposit a large amount in Forex, especially those who are students. They don't have much money in their hands, and it's said that it's hard to earn from Forex with low balance. However, I would say that it's possible to earn money by investing a little in Forex. But the condition for this is that you must listen carefully to the way it's said in this video and you must obey it. And also you must avoid your greediness. And of course, Forex never runs on a system or a specific strategy. If you want to fulfill your dream, you must know a few things, and not only know, you must accept. And always keep trying to know something update. So those who have requested for this video and those who can't invest large amount in Forex, I hope you will watch the video carefully till the end. And before starting the video, I would like to say those who like this type of video can follow this playlist. Here you will get all advanced tutorial for yourself. And I will request the well-wisher of ForexBD, please subscribe ForexBD's another new channel. Here you will get all types of video of Forex. And I will request you, those who don't subscribe our ForexBD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. There are many of us who can't deposit large amount in Forex. Again, there are many who can afford to deposit a large amount, but they don't dare to deposit it. So in the end, most of the traders deposit small amount in Forex, but they lost their balance because they did not get good support. So ForexBD decided to stand by all those traders. So ForexBD will share a few video in the form of part on how to earn money from Forex with low balance and low risk. This is the first part, and if we get a good response from you in this video, or if we get 500 likes and comment from this video, then we will share the second part to profit with low balance. In other words, if you accept our video well, if we get your support and if we get your likes and comments, then we get confidence to do something good. How to make money from Forex with a small investment or $100 with support and resistance. If you want to make money with a small amount, you must control your greediness first. Because if you invest $100, you can expect a minimum profit of $20 per month according to the rules. More than this can never be expected. Now the main problem is here because those who want to deposit $100 can't accept $20 profit monthly income because they think what will be happen with just $20 working for a whole month. But they never try to understand that earning $20 at the beginning in Forex is a big deal, and it's a big achievement because not everyone in Forex can survive. And you must understand that if you earn $20 in a month by depositing $100, you can earn another $100 in 5 months. That means if you don't make any withdrawal, your deposit amount will be double in 5 months. And once the deposit amount double, you can trade by doubling the lot size and you can make monthly income double. That means if you have used 0.01 lot size before, when the account double after 5 months, then you can trade in double lot size, which means 0.02 lot size. Then you will earn $40 per month, which is a big amount for anyone. And in the last 5 months, you have struggled with trading, improve your psychological problem, and you achieve your success. So you must control your greediness because people fall into greed and break the money management and break different rules in order to earn more income, and they face loss. Now we show you how to make a profit with a small investment. For those who will invest a few dollars such as $100 $150 or $200, I will request that you must use a cent account, because in the first case you will make a lot of mistake. If you make this mistake in the cent account, you will lose low balance. Cent account will show you a balance of 1000 cents for $10, or a deposit of $100 will show your balance 10,000 cents, which will give you a much better support. With a little balance, you will try to trade in a time frame of 30 minutes or 1 hour. I say again 30 minutes or 1 hour, because this type of time frame is very useful for a small balance. So we have already shown how to draw support and resistance. So we will show in more details how to draw support and resistance very easily. You can see the placement market has come in this point and up again. This placement is called support. Here you can see that the market has gone up and pushed down again. This is called resistance. Enter the MT4 platform and draw support and resistance in the fresh chart. After the draw, if the market is down from the significant zone, you will place a buy order by touching your support. Or if the market goes up and touch resistance, you will place a sell order. If you are not in the market, you can place a pending order. This will automatically start trading whenever the market touch your support or resistance. If you can't place a pending order, you can watch this video. This video explains in details how to place a pending order. But remember, never trade from third placement. Suppose the market is pushed up here, you should not trade again and again from the same support or resistance zone. This is the first placement, as there is no support before. The market turned around and came here again. That means it's a second placement, but you could not trade in the second placement, so you are waiting for the third placement, which means when the market will come to this place again. But no, you should not trade from third placement. Always try to set up a trade from the second placement. This make you more profitable. By following the profit ratio, must set up SL and TP, which is more than 1:2 or 1:3. That means if you keep 20 pips SL, then you must keep at least 60 pips TP. That means if you set up your SL $2, then you must set up your SL at least $6, so that one of your profit can recover your 3 loss. Because if you increase your SLTP in the hope of more profit, so if you keep your SL $5 and if you lost 2 trade, you will lose $10, which will put a lot of pressure on you, because $10 in a $100 account means 10%. Absolutely, $10 is a big amount for $100 account. So you must trade with all this thing in mind. Now the thing is, you will get a lot of support and resistance placement. Will you trade from all your placement? No. Now you can see a lot of support and resistance on the screen, but it's not right to trade from all placement. For good placement, you have to follow the trend. Suppose this place in the market has not been created yet. You have entered at that moment and we have drawn support and resistance here. Now we can find the trend here. So here we get a trend. Here is a placement and here is the other placement. So we can draw the trend. So since we have assumed this place has not been created yet, and here we are getting support along with trends. In other words, we are getting 2 signals. So this is a well placement. You can trade from such a placement. And many may have question about where to set up SL and TP. To do that, we can look at the back points of the market. So here we can see that there is a back point very close to our entry. So we can set up SL in this back point. If we set up our SL here, our SL will be 7 pips. And if we took 30 pips TP, we could make profit and we would have a profit ratio more than 1:3. In the same way, we can find the trend from resistance. Like we can see trend in this placement. Suppose this marketplace is not created, then we are getting resistance here as well as trend. Here is a placement and here is the other placement. So this is a good placement. If we could trade from this placement, we would take about 26 pips profit. and we have to set up our SL in this back point. So we can make small trade with low balance in this way. One more thing to keep in mind, you should take equal risk in each trade. That means if you take 1% risk in each trade, you should take 1% risk in all trade. This will help you to make a profit. This means that if you don't take the same amount of risk in each trade, then one trade will have more loss while another trade will have less profit. So the amount of your loss will be increased and the amount of profit will decrease because the risk of each trade is not the same. And Forex is not a subject where you can learn everything by watching a video or reading a book. So check out this playlist with Forex top tips and tricks to find out your own loss. And those whose balance is less can put your SL on the profit. If market hit SL without hitting TP for any reason, you can still make a profit. Watch this video to know how to put SL on profit. Use trailing stop to keep profit safe. How to use multiple TP to know, watch this video. By this, you can learn how to set up multiple TP, which will help you a lot. And by doing this, you will gradually move from beginner level to expert level. That definitely play the biggest role in making a Forex career. So viewers, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please share it and give us a like. It motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same. So you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good. So you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by ForexBD's link, you will get benefit. ForexBD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your Skrill and Nettler account by ForexBD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by ForexBD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. ForexBD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, Tata.